Basically, you're going to take your 14mm socket and take this screw off and the one right below it right here. So you'll need a 17mm wrench like this, just to basically hold this one so you're not spinning both of them here. Alright, let's go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Remember, safety. As you can see, I got a jack there, and I got a safety one for safety purposes right there. Here we go. Oops, sorry about that, I'll edit that out. Alright, let's go. See? Got it. Pretty easy, right? Alright, here we go. Alright, we got this guy, we got the one below. Alright. And take your brake caliper off, like so. Shouldn't be hard. I'm using one hand. A little harder with one hand, but there we go. Next thing you'll do, real easy. Alright, once the caliper is off, take these two pins out. Real easy to do. Just pop them out like that. And then this one here. Don't forget to put them on when you're done, though. I did, and I had to take the tire off. These brakes should real easy pop off. You ain't gotta use a lot of force. That's why I like Lexus. Everything is done, so it's simple. That's not too bad, but check this one out. This is the one I'm worried about right here. Look at this guy. See? I knew it. Man, we were close. We were getting close. Alright, so your final step, easy. You got your new brakes, old brakes. Pop this off here, this little pin here. Should be easy. There we go. Pop this pin off and place it here, like so. Do the same thing here. Pop this pin off and put this pin on here. There you go. Okay. Now that literally took me like 2 minutes. Real quick, remember where you put that pin. This pin goes on top. The pin that you took out, remember the pin you took out goes on top. Right? Alright. Brakes back in. Take your pin. Don't forget this, because I forgot this pin and I had to take the tire off. Yeah. Put them back in before you put your caliper. Push your caliper back in. I'll show you how to do that. So easy, as you can see. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing the calipers back in using the C-clamp. Easy to do. As you can see, I'm using my C-clamp here, and I'm using an old brake pad to push the calipers back in. Real easy to do. So as you can see, the brake pads are on, calipers pushed in. Take your caliper, put it back in like so. Real easy. Easy money. Once you're done with that, you put your screws back in. So we got the brakes on, brake pads, all the pins in. Make sure all the pins are in. This one is facing up. You take your bolt, you put it back in. You screw it and get nice and tight. Get the bottom one, don't forget. And you're done. Isn't that easy? Come on, you can do this. You can so do. And the back ones are even easier, man. I'm not even lying. Lexus are awesome. They're so easy to work on. Alright, good luck with you and yours. Take care of your vehicle. Remember, thumb this video up if you're my dog. God bless.